everything comes through referrals, which is code for we sit around and hope that one of our clients happens to be having a conversation with someone in their network, and that person happens to say, hey, I'm really struggling with fill in the blank. And our client happens to go, oh, I work with a really cool organization who actually helped me with that. Let me connect you. Now, I like pennies from heaven. It's not a sustainable way to create a revenue engine.
Yep. And so one of the things that I post on a regular basis, especially with CPAs and attorneys, because that's who we deal with, is this idea that you don't need to pay these absurd amount for marketing. You just need to create more value for your clients